Hello, I'm Michael Glass from the FXcast Market Analysis team. This is our forex market analysis for Monday, July 18th. In each of our videos, we try to find high probability trading setups. We'll look at the gold chart for leading sentiment. We'll come with a low volatility watch list, an inside bar watch list, and we'll review the economic calendar to see what could affect our open and potential trades. As always, please send your comments and feedback to analysis@fxcast.com. Okay, as usual, we are starting off with the gold chart, and you can just see this beautiful move that it's made. Interesting to see that our long-term moving averages on our volume showing really parity as far as selling and buying volume. But we can see a great move, and we have to start looking at, a move back to the moving averages, a move back to probably the last support here or the last swing high. And what also kind of gives us that impression is, even though we made these moves, you can see Thursday was a lot of consolidation. We came down, just touched oversold and shot up, but now we are overbought in this range, and so either we're going to chop around in this 1592 down to 1580 price level, but we probably, because we're in the overbought range, we're at the top of the range, there is a move back again to a probability to move back towards parity. So with the strong gold, we go to look at what's going on with some of our dollar currency pairs. We start off with the pound dollar, and we can see the move that it's made as the dollar has weakened, and we have seen two things. First, on these last 2 days here, we saw the dollar take control and then fall right off. We can see both the dollar and the pound both showing weakness. They're both below zero, and that kind of leads towards our parity here on our hourly time frame, where we just kind of chop to the side. And this is why this is probably going to be in our low volatility watch list as we move to the side. But where are we? We're at above our long-term moving average. We're in a selling zone area. And so we need our probability indicator to start getting up into the more likelihood of some type of reversal before we look for that push back to the middle. But in the end, what we're seeing is weakness in both the dollar and the pound. The dollar is in control, but they're both below zero, and thus we're seeing a little parity. Switching to the euro dollar, and we're going to see a little bit of the same thing. Lighter volume, selling volume in control. We can see the euro making the bigger move down, and then in comparison, the dollar is showing weakness, but it's still just a little bit above its long time moving average. However, when we come to look at who's in control, and we basically see fractionally that the euro is in control, and we can see that our price action is below our long-term moving average, but it's also in the neutral zone. It's basically at neutral right now, and we're going to see that. Why? Because they're both below zero, and they're both right on top of each other. Again, parity. This could qualify for our low volatility watch list. We'll see, and we can see our probability indicator really hasn't really hit these extremes yet of showing us a probable reversal. So we're in neutral zone, we're below our long-term moving average, neither really want to be in control. We finish off with the pound franc, and here we can see on the daily our range that we've been in for a while. We pushed out of that on Wednesday, made an inside bar, and now potentially we're either going to make a move up or we're going to push lower. We can see light volume even on our push down, selling volume still in control. But why is that? Why do we tank? We can see that the franc has taken control. We on our inside bar time frame, we probably got this moving here, and now they're coming back to meet each other. They're converging. They're trying to meet each other, but we're way off our long-term moving average, below it. We're in a buying zone area, and so as we're making our inside bar, maybe this is going to be a move to the high. What we really need is we just about hit it. Not yet, though, but we're trying to get our probability indicator to get more into our probability of moving back towards parity. As we come to our watch list for today, we do have a couple candidates on the low volatility And on the inside bar watch list, we're going to watch the pound yen, the dollar franc, and the dollar yen for both low volatility and inside bar watch lists. Let's take a look at the economic calendar. As we go to our economic calendar, we can see that we really don't have that much that's going to really impact the market that much. We will be interested to see what happens from the meeting minutes for the Aussie, for the RBA, but not a lot that's going to really impact the market. We would like to thank you for watching our FXcast market analysis. As we continue to improve and make adjustments so that you're getting value from our videos, we want you to take the time to give us feedback, give us comments, send us questions about what you would like to see in our videos, and you can send those comments and feedbacks to analysis@fxcast.com, or you can post to our daily forum. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you next time.